I'm Steph Strickland with GeekWire Studios here at the Acumatica Summit 2026, and we are going to talk right now about customer-driven innovation. I'd like to introduce you to my guest. This is Mehta, the Chief Engineering Officer at Acumatica. Thank you so much for making the time.
You're most welcome.
I want to start by talking to you about something that I have heard from your customers over and over again today here at this summit, and that is the flexibility that they have when working with Acumatica. How does this philosophy of customer-driven first sort of iterate into the offerings that you provide to your customers?
Acumatica is really a customer-centric company. The customer obsession is one of the values. We always make sure that we start with what customer needs, what are the challenges they are facing, and how do we solve that. You talked a little bit about flexibility. A lot of flexibility also comes from our platform. Our platform enables them to not only use what we provide out of the box, but also our partners, our ISVs, who can provide more functionality on top of that to meet the unique challenges of the businesses, and we support that as well. So that's why it's all about customers and their needs, and how do we enable them to succeed and grow their business.
It's interesting because Acumatica is born in the cloud, and we're really talking about AI optimization to help people get truth in their data and their ability to use that then at scale in their businesses. How does Acumatica approach this discussion around making sure that the data insights that can be gained in the cloud are ones that are a benefit to the customer? What is the push-pull between new things in the marketplace, AI? We just started really talking about it in terms of business applications just a few years ago, and now it's here. We're past that at this point. Where do you focus?
I think today in the keynote one, you must have heard Sanket talking about digital twins, right? It's all about replicating your business into the data that we have in our ERP instance for you, right? And also, I think he and John both talked about AI. If you want to leverage AI, the strong foundation of that is data. You have to have the right data, the data that represents your business, and data that enables you to do your business, right? And AI clearly fits very well with that, and that's what we are leveraging as well. As you mentioned, we are cloud native, right? We are born in the cloud, and that also brings a lot of flexibility to leverage other services, integrations, and all of those type of things. And we also are able to maintain and make sure that there is a right security, and you don't have to worry about all of those type of things when you have to do your own on-prem solution versus when you are in cloud. So all of those things fits together very well. And as I demoed in my keynote as well, we are working on many of the AI functionality that you can use as is out of the box, or you can, again, going back to extensibility, you can build more functionality using our AI Studio to meet your needs.
This is a perfect segue into my next question, which is really talking about the ability to move at scale. Mm-hmm. Without being locked into some rigid architectures that exist. Where do you see Acumatica growing in terms of serving customer needs, leveraging AI?
In many ways, right? So as I talked about AI Studio, you can build your own solution on top of what we provide with natural language. You don't have to have technology know-how, for example. Your IT department can easily do that. Your business professionals can do that. Of course, your partner will be able to do that as well. As a matter of fact, in one of the hackathons that we did yesterday, out of 12 teams, actually the team that won, they didn't do any coding. They just used the prompting, and based on that, they came up with an amazing solution just in 24 hours based on our AI Studio. So that will definitely help a lot of people to build new solutions and scale further. AI Assistant that we are building, it goes across different roles. It goes across different industries. You don't have to worry about, hey, I'm a salesperson, can I do that? I'm a field technician, can I do that? It supports all of the needs of those roles. So that also will help us. And then whatever we are building with our partners in mind as well. So not only what we are providing, how do our partners can take it and provide more extensively on top of that and meet the unique needs of different businesses.
It is almost democratizing innovation if you think about it, because anyone can participate in finding the next solution for their individual needs. Yep. What is the advantage for you? I've asked all of the people who are here, but for you and Acumatica, what's the benefit of bringing everyone under the roof to have conversations face-to-face, the benefit of a summit like this?
Oh, this is amazing. I have spent so much time today talking with our customer prospects, customers who have been using it. I was talking with somebody who I had met last year in Summit, and she and I ended up talking about, and I remembered what we talked, she remembered what we talked, and then we were able to find out where they are now, what type of challenges they are facing. It's amazing. Many a times, when you put the name and the face together and when you talk about real stuff, that's when you start getting higher value out of that, right? And Summit and occasions like this provide us to collect our not only thoughts but like energy in one place and talk about all of those things. So it's an amazing way, whether it's partner, whether it is customer, whether it is employees that I have not met with for last year or two, you name it. And of course, we are here talking with you.
It is not lost on me that at the end of all of this, no matter how advanced our systems are, it really does come down to the people. Mehta, I just want to say thank you so much for making the time to speak with me
You're
today.
most welcome. It was my pleasure.
I'm Steph Strickland. You're watching GeekWire Studios.